All right. Still Christmas Eve. We got some more packs. Holy fuck. We're doing Sun and Moon, Lost Thunder. We got 4 of them. Let's see if we can pull something. Trying to get these full art Lugia VMAX top cards here. Any of the trainer cards will do too. So let's see what we get. Houndour. Diglett. What's that say? Trico. Chansey. Okay. Murrow. I don't think there's anything in here. Energy. Okay. So we got absolutely dog water. We got a Marrow only. Alright. So far not looking so good. Second pack. Here we go. Brush. Wurmple. Papillo. Skidoo. Onyx. Okay. Oh shit, we got something. We got something shiny. Trainer card. Okay. And Butterfree. Also, there's only 1 rare in any of these packs. Damn. Okay. So far, a Marrow and a Cahill. Can we pull the VMAX card? Can we do it? It's Christmas Eve. Can we do fucking something? Snubble. My girlfriend lost something. What'd you lose? Marini. What did you lose? Cinequil. Combi. Silicone. It's not looking good for us, guys. Not looking good for us. Right behind the silicone, we pulled this. Alright, lucky pack here. Last one. Parachute. Papillo. Spinarak. Nikita. Blitzel. Carbink. Unfortunate. Unfortunate.